For this bookmark monster, you will need some glue, a pair of scissors, origami paper, sticker eyes or printout eyes. You will also need these to make the teeth and this to make the tongue. You will need color pens and scrap paper. Have the children choose the color they would like. What color would you like? So we have yellow, red, green, blue, or white.
Yellow, please.
Okay, here you go.
Thank you.
Now, we're going to fold the paper. You take this corner and you put it to this corner. You'll have a triangle. Make sure the children have folded correctly. Secondly, you open it up and you fold it the other way. You're going to have a cross. Then you're going to put your paper this way. You're going to take this corner and it's going to come to the edge here where there's a line. Here you're going to take this corner and it's going to take a shape of a small envelope, like this. Then you want to unfold both sides, and this corner is going to come up to the point here. Now this is the tricky part. Here you have to open it up a little bit, and these floppy sides are going to come inside. Your part's like this. You open it up a little bit and you're going to put the folds inside. This way. Okay, now you have your bookmark ready. We're going to decorate it. First you need some eyes. Have the children choose 1, 2, 3, or 4 eyes. What would you like?
3 blue eyes, please.
Okay. Let the children stick their eyes as they wish. While the children choose the eyes, you can have another group of children cutting out the teeth and the tongue. Have the children color the mouth and tongue. Now you want to glue the tongue on this part over here. And for the teeth, put a bit of glue here and put it on the upper part. For their ears, just cut out some scrap paper and glue behind the head. Have the children add any decoration they like. A nose, prickles. Let them have fun. And we have our bookmark monster.